All right, now we're doing a W3Schools HTML tutorial, HTML RGB and RGBA colors. So an RGB color value represents red, green, and blue light sources. An RGBA color value is an extension of RGB with an alpha channel, and that's relates to the opacity of the color. So RGB color values, in HTML, a color can be specified as an RGB value using this formula. RGB, and then we're going to have the red first, followed by a comma, and then green, followed by another comma, and then blue. So each parameter, red, green, and blue, defines the intensity of the color with a value between 0 and 255. So 255 choices plus 1 because 0 is included. So 256 times 256 times 256, which equals that many possible colors. Awesome. For example, RGB 255 is displayed as red because red is set to its highest value, 255, and the other two are set to 0, the other two being green and blue. And then with this one, 255, it's displayed as green because of the same reason as the red, except for because it's green. To display black, we set all colors to 0, and white, we set all colors to 255. We can experiment by mixing the RGB color values below. So if we take this out, it becomes more green. If we leave it like this and take all the green out, it becomes more purplish, I guess, because of the blue and whatnot. All right. And so, for example, we've got this stuff here, background color, RGB, blah, blah, blah. So 255 in the red is red, 255 in the blue is blue. They don't have a 255 in the green, but whatever. But you pretty much get what this is saying. Styles equals, quotation marks, background hyphen color, colon, RGB, parentheses, and in the parentheses, the red, green, and blue values. Okay, awesome. So let's go to the next one. We're going to talk about shades of gray. Haha. Shades of gray are often defined using equal values for all three parameters. So like this one, 60, 140s all the way around, 100s, 180s, 240s, and whatever this is, 200s, and we see it ourselves, pretty much the same thing going on right there. All right, so let's go over to this RGBA color values. So RGBA color values are an extension of RGB color values with an alpha channel, which specifies the opacity for a color. An RGBA color value is specified with red, green, blue, and alpha on RGBA, on this RGBA function. The alpha parameter is a number between 0, which is fully transparent, and 1, which is not transparent at all. I think I did it backwards on the last video, but this is the one clearing it up. Hopefully those people that saw the last one are seeing this one. Anyway, so we can experiment by doing this. So we've got this color here. And if we go all the way up, it's that color. And if we take it away, it's all gone. And if there was something behind this, you could see that it's getting clearer or less clear. Yes. Okay. And then here's some examples of it. So here's 1, here's 0.6, here's 0, here's 8. And we can see this checkerboard behind it to tell us if it's actually working or not. All right. Awesome. So there's that. And I guess that's the end of that one. So let's go to the next one. And the next one's going to be HTML hex colors. And we'll see you next time.